Hello everyone, Kenneth Amadori here with CrushTheStreet.com. I want to show everyone, this is a beginner video for how to purchase a stock. You might know about stocks, you might understand that if you are a stockholder, you are a shareholder in a company. You're a business owner now. You have a stake in a company that produces something, makes money, and you now own a fractional percentage of that company. And it's very easy to do, and you might understand a little bit about it, but you've never seen it done, you've never done it yourself, so you just need to see it done once to have the confidence to go ahead and do it for yourself. And I believe that after you watch how easy it is, you'll have the confidence to be able to do it yourself. So you can purchase stocks, buy and sell your own stocks, and manage your own money with a company such as Scottrade, TD Ameritrade, Options Express. They have really affordable pricing and it's very user friendly. But right here I have Questrade. They offer a practice platform for people to actually go in and be able to practice with fake money. They give you like a $500,000 to be able to buy and sell stock with, and just kind of get the hang of it and build some confidence and hopefully make some money before you start using your own real money. So I'm going to log in. Every online brokerage will have an area for you to log in and to access your account. And so they'll come in, you'll open up the home page. I liked this home page because it was very simple, it was very basic, and it pretty much offered an opportunity for me to show you what exactly yours is going to have at its most simplest form. So up here it has a watch list, and watch list is if you want to look at a bunch of companies and just be able to follow them, you can add it to your watch list and you can see what's happening and take action on a company if you like what it's doing. So really quickly, I want to just explain some of the basic things that are here on the watch list and when you do research. So a symbol is just the company, it's its ticker. So this is Apple. The first one is Apple, AAPL. That's the ticker symbol for Apple. Its last trade was $499.89. So the last trade that just happened, we're in market hours right now, is $499.89. And it has changed with a dollar amount of 86 cents for the day. So today it opened up at a certain price and now it's down 86 cents from that price, which is now $499.89. That's a percentage change of negative 0.17%. And you can see that here for all these other ones. You can see some red, which are down, and some green for which are up. The bid is investors and potential shareholders who are willing to purchase Apple right now, but they're willing to purchase it at $499.86. So that's the current bid right now for Apple. The ask is the actual shareholders of Apple, the people that own shares that are saying, I'm willing to sell shares of Apple right now at $499.86. So the difference between the ask and the bid is what we call a spread. So right now there's a spread of about 3 cents. And the high and low is pretty self-explanatory. Again, this is just for the day. So Apple has been as high as $506.50 today and as low as $496.70 for the day. And this last area here is volume. So the Apple has traded 22.82 million shares throughout the day. So that's how many shares have exchanged hands, and at $500 a share, it's a lot of money that has been exchanged hands today for Apple. So if I want to purchase one of these companies, I go to the buy or sell. On your platform it might say trade or purchase or something along those lines. When you click it, it's going to open up something that looks like this, or maybe a brand new page altogether. And I'm going to want to purchase a different company. Let's say I'm going to purchase Ford. Ford is ticker symbol F, and Ford is up for today. The last price is $15.29, almost 30 cents. You can see the bid and the ask here. And here's how we go about buying the company. You can either sell it or buy it right under the action. So we want to buy, and I'd like to buy 200 shares of Ford. That's the quantity, QTY, and I'm going to do that either with a limit order or a market order, the order type. These other ones are a little more complicated, but simply you'll probably just use the limit or market, probably limit most of the time. And basically a limit order is, I want to buy Ford, but I don't want to pay $15.29 right now. I'd like to purchase it if Ford came down to $15. And you can actually do that. So you put the limit price in, and you don't have to be sitting in front of your computer waiting for that to happen. You can specify that I'm willing to buy Ford at $15 right now if the price comes down to $15 or below. So I do that typically. That's typically how I buy stock. I just kind of decide on what I want to pay for it, and I set my limit, and it'll purchase it for me if the stock comes down to that price. It doesn't always happen that way. But if I wanted to purchase the stock immediately, I hit market. And right now the market is $15.30. Investors and shareholders in Ford right now are willing to sell shares at Ford at $15.30 right now. And market orders almost always happen instantaneously. You just got to be happy to purchase the shares at the ask or at around the ask. It's never always exact. So the last thing right here is what we have is the duration. So we're going to send this order in, and if for whatever reason the order doesn't get filled, or you don't end up buying the stock because it just didn't go through and the prices didn't hit your price, this is when the orders will be canceled. So I usually just pick day. At the end of the market day, trading day, I like my order to expire, and I like to be able to make an informed decision the next day on whether or not I want to purchase at the current price. Good until cancel is here. If I wanted to just leave my limit order at $15, and if it happens in 2 months from now, that's fine. I just want to leave it, and as long as it doesn't get filled, it'll stay available. And good until a certain day. Maybe you just want to only purchase up until February 12th. So on that day, if the order doesn't get filled, it'll cancel at that time. But usually I just select day and allow it to cancel, and I resubmit the order if I didn't get what I wanted that day. So I'm going to go forward, send in the order, and you can get an order confirmation here. I'm buying Ford, 200 shares of Ford at the market. Here's kind of what it's going to cost me, and just some other information about my positions and how much money I have in my account. And I'm going to send my order. And below you can see my positions, and Ford instantaneously was purchased at the market, and my price was $15.29. That was the average price that I got filled in. Not always will you be able to purchase all 200 shares for that one specific price. Some shares might get purchased at a little higher and a little lower, but the average price was $15.29 for all of those 200 shares. And it's as simple as that. And all platforms, all companies offer something that is just like this. This was the basics for how to buy stock. So for more information on stock trading and getting news on the economy, please visit crushthestreet.com. I'll talk to you soon.